Good day, kids! In our topic for today, nouns are very important, okay? Nouns such as people, events, places, animals, and things. So let's proceed now to our topic, which is the pronoun and antecedent, okay? So let's start. In pronoun antecedent, we have our rules. So let's proceed to rule number 1. Know the general rule governing pronoun agreement. A pronoun must agree with its antecedent. The antecedent is usually a noun that the pronoun replaces. For example, you can replace Mrs. Hill with she or her. Mrs. Hill definitely she is a woman. That is why we use the pronoun she or her. The next one we have the word students. It is plural, right? That is why we use the pronoun they or them. In these examples, take a look of the first sentence. The lizard licked its eyeball. Lizard, it is a singular antecedent, right? So we use the singular pronoun its. Next, we have the lizards lick their eyeballs. Lizards, plural antecedent. This is why we use the plural pronoun there. Know the difference between these singular and plural personal pronouns. So let's proceed first to singular pronouns. We have he, she, it. Him, her, it. His, hers, its, himself, herself, itself. So let's proceed now to plural. They, them, theirs, and then themselves. Okay, so those are the examples of pronouns. So let's proceed to the next one. Do not confuse with the words its and its. Its with an apostrophe means it is or it has. Its without an apostrophe means belonging to it. For example, its bowl, its sharp teeth, its long claws, etc. Possessive pronouns, unlike possessive nouns, do not need an apostrophe with the final S. Let's proceed now to rule number 2. The conjunction and can cause problems with pronoun agreement. Two or more singular things joined by and become a plural antecedent. The new puppy and kitten have destroyed their owner's sofa. Okay, so next. In rule number 2, when each or every precedes two or more singular things joined by and, a singular antecedent is formed. Remember in our topic last time in subject-verb agreement, when we use each, definitely that is singular. So let us read now the example. Each new puppy and kitten destroys its owner's sofa. So we use the pronoun its. In this situation, no matter how many singular nouns that you join with and, the antecedent is still singular. Each new puppy, kitten, rabbit, tarantula, python, parrot, iguana, and ferret destroys its owner's sofa. So as you can see, we have many animals mentioned in the sentence, but still, we have the word each. That is why we use the singular pronoun its. Rule number 3. Use caution with these three correlative conjunctions, either or neither nor, and not only, but also. Of the two antecedents in the sentence, the pronoun must agree with the closer one. Here are two examples. Not only Louise, but also the Smiths fixed their famous squid eyeballs too for the picnic. Okay, we have two subjects here, Louis and then the Smiths. Which is closer, Louis or Smiths? Okay, so the correct answer here is the Smiths. That is why we use the pronoun their. In the next example, not only the Smiths, but also Louise fixed her famous squid eyeballs too for the picnic. So, which is closer to the pronoun? Of course, we have the word or the name Louise. That is why we use the pronoun her. Okay, kids? So, I hope you learned something again. Well done. Bye. See you next time.